Hey y'all, so I have a secret or a confession to make about Chebe. Okay, so what is it? I'm gonna show y'all. So tomorrow I was supposed to be reapplying the Chebe again because I apply like once every 7 days on my good weeks. Okay, so recently this past month, the month of February, I did not get a chance to reapply for 2 weeks. So instead of me reapplying on the 7th day, I reapplied on the 14th or 15th day. And my hair still had moisture in it, okay? And when I did go to redo it, it had so much moisture that when I sprayed just the water, it basically reactivated the product. And that's on the butter side and the powder side. So both of them held moisture, and I didn't need to reapply product on my 14 days. So that was the first 2 weeks. And then this is working on the third week. And I didn't reapply at all. Like I just resprayed, detangled as I needed, and then just yarned it back up because there was still so much product. So tomorrow would be going into the 4th week, and I would need to reapply supposedly on tomorrow, but we're going to check it now and see, because that's crazy that I haven't had to reapply a product at all. Like, it's crazy. So I can kind of expect that on the powder side just because, all the buildup of the product. But for the most part on the butter side, I was expecting it to need more, but it's actually doing pretty good. And the only thing I've done on both sides is just put a little bit more product on my ends, just because my ends are yarned up really well, and they don't lose moisture completely, but they do lose a little bit more than the bigger part. So I do add a little bit more each time I do get ready to reapply to this part. So like I said, tomorrow would be the day that I would go in and get ready to reapply. But I don't think I will. I'll probably just spray it again, redo my ends, because look at that. Can you tell? Can you see how, like, my finger is? The shine to it? I don't know how else to show you. Like, when I squeeze it, it feels like the product should ooze out. Wish I could get a good angle to where you can see. You see my thumb right here? You can probably see it really good on that hand. And this is the butter side. So it looks like for a whole month, you guys, I haven't had to reapply product. My hair has held moisture using Chebe for a whole freaking month. Okay, that is crazy. That is crazy, because I used to could not get my hair to hold no kind of moisture before I started using Chebe. And I know people love to jump down there and say, oh, it's just another conditioner. It's just another leave-in. It's just another hair. It is just another hair product. It really is. It's nothing different from ones on the shelf. And I've said that several times. It's just, it works so well compared to other stuff for me. And for other people that are in the Chebe challenge group on Facebook, that this is the product that has made their hair thrive. Okay, so I don't care if y'all get down there and say that it's just this, it's just another hair product, and it just so happens that I'm boosting it because it works for me. Okay, what other product have y'all heard on a consistent basis is making you retain or helping you retain an inch a month? Right. Okay. So anyway, this is the butter side, and as I showed y'all, like, y'all saw how it still has moisture, and tomorrow is supposed to be my reapply day because tomorrow is day 7. Okay, so look, I'm wiping off my hands. Now look, you can see my thumbs. They're dry now, right? We're gonna get, this is the powder side. Now I expect this one to retain moisture a lot just because the product is so like caked in. So, and every time I touch it, the product does kind of like fall out. I know you can see like the product on my hand, but can you see like the shininess to my thumb right here? You see that? So both sides are working. And it's not just like the ponytail part, it's this part too. I wish like that the product would just ooze out, because that's what it feels like it's gonna do. It's hard to catch an angle so you can see the shine. So this, like I said, will be going on week 4. And I will say now, this one is still, this side is way more moist. The butter side is way more moist than this side. So this side, I can kind of tell like the powder is starting to lose a little bit of moisture. But look. Yeah, see it? It almost looks like my hand is just wet, right? That's crazy. I've never heard of anybody else having this success, like keeping moisture this long with the product. I just haven't. I don't know. But I don't like scour things to try to find out either, because I found something that works for me and I'm not gonna change. So this side, I'll probably just respray water on it too, just because it's still doing so well. So I won't have to use, like, I still get to keep my product. So it's gonna last me even longer if I only have to really reapply once a month. Like, that's crazy. So that's my confession, y'all, about Chebe. I'm still using it. It's still working amazingly for me. I will do a length check on next week. So on the actual official 2-month mark, which is the end of February, I will do my length check to see if I gained some more inches or kept my inches and stuff. So yeah, and they're the same length. This one just has a lighter product on it, because this is the butter and this is the powder. But yeah, and doesn't this one just look juicy? All right, that is my update and confession about Chebe. The secret is I haven't applied it in a whole month and it's still moist. Like, okay. Anyway, I will see you guys later.